Okay, so I am obsessed with all these different color changing lights and different settings and things like that. So this one here, I have a whole bunch on my travel trailer. So this is gonna probably join the others with it as well. And I think, so I have a stripe that goes around the middle, and now I wanna do a stripe that goes around the bottom so it lights up underneath. So that's gonna be sweet. So we can check this one out. So you can see it comes with the power adapter here. It comes with the remote control and the wires and connectors, and then here's the two, it actually comes with 2 strips of the LEDs, so you get a whole lot with it. So I'm gonna video down here and I'm gonna show you, and I put together some of it. So here's the power adapter. I'll easily hook this up. Got a power strip on my floor here. And then you'll see here are so these are the little clips, so I can, wire it around, but I think these ones here should be pretty good as well. So let's see, how do we open this up? They always pack these things so well. You can see it's got this rubber casing on it, so it makes it waterproof, and it has a little sticky tape on the back. So to hook this up, we basically wire it in here. And so there, now it's hooked up. And then we hook up these two arrows to the arrows, and wow, it's already on. So there we go. So there we have a color changing light. And we're gonna play around with the little remote here. And I'll take this out to get it going. So let's see if I do, oh, gotta face it towards the thing. There's, I guess that's green, blue, white, and red. And we can do flashing, we can do fading. Pretty sweet. Lots of different options here. And so that's one of them, and then we can hook it up to the other one as well. Looks like it gives us 2 different options to do it. We could actually hook it up right to the controller here, so we have 2 going at once, synchronized, or wherever the other end is on this thing, I have to open it up. But you can probably connect it up and then use these little tiny little connectors here. You see that, to wire 2 sections to each other. So pretty cool. Oh, there's the other side right there. So we could connect like this, to another one right there. So that's what it gives us the ability. So we could string them in. Let's see, just one and then the next. So let's see if I try to connect those up that way. Let's see, right? Oh. So small. Oh, there we go. And there it's synchronized. So now it goes from one strip to the next. So you can have one big long chain, or you can do it a variety of different ways. So pretty sweet. I like it. And pretty straightforward. And it seems really nice and durable. This is a nice thick rubber one, so it's gonna be pretty waterproof. I'll probably have to waterproof all the connections if I'm gonna put it underneath the trailer, but we're good. Love it.